Okay, here's a quick video of the Scorpion Street Extreme carbon fiber exhaust and what it sounds like. Should probably do that while I'm out riding, but I wanted to show you what it sounds like. Forgot to also mention that I put a power commander on there as well with a custom map for the 900R headers. It seems to run pretty well. I did get actually a performance gain, at least noticeable for me. I haven't had a dyno, but it was definitely a little snappier in the throttle with the headers and the new map and the exhaust. Even after my solder pipes, I noticed a difference. So, anyways, there she is. Thanks.